Welcome friends to the very informative page Messing with Plants. Do follow this page on Instagram and YouTube to know mesmerizing facts about these selfless creatures, those are plants. So as we do DIY on our clothes, decor items at our home, let's do it for our garden also. Let's reuse the tender coconut shell and turn it into a natural hanging pot. I hope each of us has tender coconut shell at our home because it is mostly found in South Indian families, which we use as a part of a kitchen ingredient. Uh, I am using pillow plant or the tangled heart plant to plant in this reusable tender coconut shell. You can also go with money plant or portulaca. So let's get started. Materials used are tender coconut, which I've cleaned it, screwdriver to take out holes, pro neem powder which I've got it from the local store. I'm using two types of soil. One is the red soil which I got it from the nursery this morning, and one is the black soil which is normal garden soil. You can go with any one garden soil if you don't find two. One Caesar to cut the succulents, and I'm using pillow plant which I got it from my garden. I have cleaned the kernel of the tender coconut and I have kept it for sun dry for 3 to 5 days, and I have used screwdriver to take out holes so that I can attach a string so that I can turn it as a hanging pot. I have also made two holes at the base of the coconut for the easy drainage. Now let me mix out the soil mixture along with the neem powder. If you don't find the neem powder at your place, you can go with the dried neem leaves. You can see here I am mixing 2 to 3 tablespoons of neem powder along with two types of soil. Give it a good mix. So that this mixture is rich enough. Now let's fill this mixture of red soil, black soil along with the neem powder into our cleaned, dried, tender coconut shell. So you can see I'm filling it. Give it a tap twice the way you do it for cake. So fill it properly, tapping it every now and then. You can see I am filling it as much as I can. So once the soil is filled, now I am planting the succulent, which basically I have chosen as the pillow plant, into our natural pot which we made just a minute ago. So I'm trying to fix the succulent part into the pot, and you can also refill the soil if you feel it is necessary. Basically, as you have seen in the initial part of the video, that I have taken the small portions of the succulent which was picked from my garden. You can also go with the money plant in your case if you find succulent unavailable. So I'm tapping it, filling it, tapping it and filling it. Follow this rule, and now the natural pot is ready. So now you can see the natural hanging pot with the pillow plant or the tangled heart plant is ready to hang. So I am hanging it over my entrance. You can do it as per your convenience at your home. So it basically requires no space. I'm trying to adjust the height. I have used the string which is available at our home, which is basically a cloth string. You can go for yours. Now, as we need food, plants do also need water, and the most important part at our plantation is watering. So it basically requires very less water and low maintenance. And you can see how am I watering in batches. This is how it looks like. Look at the natural hanging plant in our natural handmade pot. You can use this as the natural ornament to decor at your home. So as I say, this basically requires very less space or no space. You can useful. Please do like, share, comment on this video, and if you try this hack at your home, please do take a picture along with your natural hanging pot and tag us on Instagram. Thank you for watching.